I'm going to go ahead and clean the turkey first. It was thawed on the refrigerator for 3 days, but it still looked like frozen. But once I put it in the brine, I think it will be perfectly okay. So as you see, the temperature gauge is here, right here, which is when the turkey is done inside cooking, it will automatically pops up. But still, I don't believe on that. I do measure my own thermometer to make sure the turkey is done inside. Today, day before Thanksgiving, so I'm preparing this turkey for brining only. I'm expecting that this turkey should be nice, light brown color, and hopefully that worked out within my expectation. I know a few times in the past I make a turkey and I mess it up because I forgot to change the temperature between. First beginning, I put it in a high for a few minutes and then low. And that is the way I do. And I remember the last time what had happened, not last time, many years ago. I put it in a high and I forgot about it. It was actually, I ruined the whole Thanksgiving. But people learn from the mistake, right? Never being a perfect anything. Sometimes you do mistake and you learn from it and you try to study about it, make sure that it doesn't happen again. So hopefully this is not happening again. I don't think so, because past 10 years, I'm making my turkey perfect. Everybody like it. It's juicy and soft and nice. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this now. Turkey has rinsed, clean, really heavy. It's about 20 pounds. All right, so I have a fork. What I'm going to do, I'm going to poke it around this turkey before I put it inside the brine. So go like this. What it does, the brine goes inside and they keep it moist, the turkey, while you're cooking in the oven. The leg, the turkey leg is the more harder part, because turkey run, any kind of animal, the leg, the edible animal, I mean, domestic animal like cow, goat, lamb, turkey, chicken, all those legs always going to be a little bit harder. But if you cook it properly, the right temperature, then it will be perfectly okay, not a problem. So what I'm doing right now, inside the turkey, the liver, the heart, and the turkey neck. A lot of people throw away. They don't like this, but I never throw away. It's always delicious. 2 dry chili, put it in there. This is snacks, when you are waiting for your turkey is in the oven, 2 hours, 3 hours, depends how big is your turkey. And there's a time you enjoy this with some drinks. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. And then mix it up. So it's done. I'm going to cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and tomorrow I'm going to make this as my snack. Oh, 6 hours. 6 hours took me to cool down this broth. So here what I'm going to do. And the turkey gonna be go inside. The turkey is already inside the broth, and it gonna be absorb the broth overnight. And tomorrow I'll cook this for the dinner. So tomorrow is a Thursday. Usually, if you want to make the broth, the best way to do it on Tuesday night. Leave the broth inside the refrigerator, cool down overnight, and next day you put the turkey in there, put it back. So it's about 2 days process, most likely. Otherwise, if you make it on Wednesday and next day is the Thanksgiving, then probably is the best way to do it early in the morning, 6-7 hours, cool down totally, and then you put your turkey in there and then pop it inside the refrigerator. Hello and good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. As you see, last night I had done some brining, and I put it inside the brining my turkey. Now I'm going to take this off. Okay, just pat it over, and I'm not putting any stuff inside the turkey. And besides, when you put more stuffing inside the turkey, it's take more longer time to cook. Approximately 3 hours to 3.5 hours. When the temperature inside the meat of the turkey comes around 170, I'll remove it, put it outside, rest it. During that time, also turkey is in the cooking, even it is not in the oven, because the heat is processing inside. Some people put aluminum on it, but you can put the aluminum for a while because aluminum get hot and the heat transfer to the meat. You don't want to do that unless you are careful with the aluminum. When you put the aluminum for a while and then take it off the aluminum, let the turkey cook itself. And 3 hours and 30 minutes I put a time. I'm going to come back every 1 hour, check a little bit how this is working. Keeping a good observation. As I said earlier, when the temperature going to be rise inside the meat 170, I would be able to take it off from the oven. It look like that the color is perfect. You do not know if the inside already has been cooked. So let's take it out, and I'm gonna stick up the thermometer and see if the temperature that I'm looking for. Okay. Turkey is done, so let's put it in the table so we can enjoy it. Thank you for watching. please subscribe. I have some message came out from some of my subscriber, and Raju, he said that what would be your advice during these holidays? Well, you know what I can say. My parents used to tell me to just during the holiday, you know, love your family, your friends, you know, be ready for the new resolution for your next year, and try to respectful. Try to do whatever you can do. Show them that you love them and you care about your family, your friends. Obviously, life is short, you know. And I think that is for the holiday advice. I have another person send me, for the young generation. Okay, it's about driving. All right, so if you are driving in the freeway or in the street, wherever you are driving, respect other drivers. It's very important. You know, especially when I see in a freeway, when I'm driving and I see lots of car, they're changing a lane, that they're changing from the first lane to all the way to the fourth lane so fast. That's dangerous. I would like to say, when you're driving in the freeway, respect other drivers, because everybody is not the same way thinking that you are thinking. You may be in a rush, you may be driving fast because you need to go somewhere on time, understandable. That person has nothing to do about why you are in a hurry. Everybody has their own life. If you want to drive in the freeway, you should have some decency, respect. I have seen many drivers tailgating other cars. Some drivers are old, some drivers are young. Now, I have a message for those people who tailgating other people or driving parallel and giving a dirty look that, hey man, you are driving so slow. That's I'm looking at you. Don't do that, because you know what? That person who's driving, that person maybe have a disability. The young driver, maybe they just got a driver's license and they're scared about driving in there, but they try to do their best. There could be a driver just like your mom, your dad, your grandpa, or your sister, your younger brother who just got a driver's license, 16 years old or 15 years old, and they're driving slow. Just be respectful. You know, everybody has their family. You, whoever you're driving as a bad driver, you also have a family. You have loved ones too. Try to love other people as well. That's why I call in the car you have an escalator. When you press the gas pedal, your car go faster, right? So you don't have to be behind other person or doing some tailgating to other person or giving a dirty look, or just change your lane to in front of the other car without a signal showing that how angry you are because the other driver is driving slow. That is not a good thing. That doesn't make you a good person. Respectful to the other people. Signal, if somebody not using their turn signal and you get mad, this is also wrong thing. You know what? This person who doesn't use a turn signal because so lazy to just press the button a little bit to give respect to the other drivers, that's a laziness. In that case, how many days that person will be driving like that? There will be a time come that one day the cops gonna see it and gonna have a big tickets. So drive safe, drive clean. Other day I was driving in the freeway and there was a jam and there was a guy in a truck. He was cursing everybody and pushing his horn to every car, and every car just getting away from his lane. And they are getting away from his lane because they don't want to be in a trouble or problem. Who knows? Maybe that guy could be a danger, you know, maybe he has a weapon in his car. You do not know. And he was, I can see in my rear view mirror in a car, He was cursing, he was moving his hand. He tried to say something to me that, hey man, get away. Get out from my line. What I did, I moved my car to the next lane. I didn't give a look to him because I already seen his face in the rear view mirror. And he didn't go no further. 2 or 3 cars just moved out of his way. And the rest of the cars still there. All this freeway was jammed. What he can do? Nothing. Because I never seen in my life anybody was that kind of behavior in the traffic jam. If that is the problem for that guy, that he want to just go through it, how he gonna go through it? Is it 5 to 10 miles long is a traffic? Then don't drive. Take your own helicopter and fly with that. Don't drive a car because the highway is not yours. It is a common use for everybody, every drivers. And that is the privilege we have. So respect that. So this holiday, drive safe and don't drink, don't drive. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. And I wish everybody happy holiday.